What's up, guys? It's your boy Anthony Arundel, bringing you once again another TTC Toni-Tech Cave unboxing. Oh man, I am extremely excited. The NVIDIA Shield came in yesterday, and man, well, I kind of already unboxed it, as you may probably notice just now. But it's wow, guys, you know what? Without further ado, let's just get to work here, because this box, this is like the Bugatti of the boxes, man. This box has been out for a while already, and it's still the #1 box. Let's just unbox this, shall we? Let's open this up. And as you guys can see here, we have the star of the show with its nice little green lights on the side. But you know what we do with the star of the show? We put it on the side and then we come back to that. All right, guys, so what do we have in the box? Here you have the NVIDIA controller. This is a very good controller. I tested it out yesterday on some games, and damn, man. Like, you know, usually you have your TV boxes and we never recommend to use these for games, but you can bet your bottom dollar, if you still have any left, that's right, that the NVIDIA Shield is definitely for gaming. So here we have the controller. Here we have the power brick, or at least the power adapter in this case. Let's see, and if you look inside here, we have a few little adapter, or a few different options for your power adapter. If you live in the UK, you can use this one right over here. But since I live in Holland, Europe, I use this one right here. And you can easily just connect it to the bottom, and then you're pretty much good to go. See that? Click, clack. USB Type-C for those of you who didn't know. Now you do. So put that in your mouth and chew it. Let's put this over here next to Son Goku, because that's how we rolls. Here you have like a little charger cable that you can certainly use in order to charge the box. And obviously, only now I realize it, it also came with an HDMI cable, which is now installed on my TV. But you guys know what an HDMI cable is, so let's not be difficult over here. What do we have here? We have the instruction manual that is making me look really bad, right? Get out of the box, your instruction manual. Well, after a lot of fighting and no editing, here is the instruction manual that, you know, usually we pretend like we're gonna read, but we usually don't. So I'm just gonna put it inside here and say that I'm gonna read it, but you guys know I won't. Let's put this on the side. Here we have the box, by the way, and here on the side we have a few quick specs. Let's see if we can get that on camera. You can always pause it and see what's going on up in here. But just so you know, let me just read out a little bit. This is the NVIDIA Shield Tegra X1 processor, 256 core from NVIDIA Graphics. It's a 64-bit CPU, 3 GB of RAM. My version, by the way, comes with only 16 GB of storage, but it's all good. You can expand this. And the options that you can expect is Android TV with Google Chromecast, which, guys, if you have this, you absolutely need no Google Chromecast, which would be silly if you do, but now you know. We have 4K capabilities, 1080p or 720p, HDMI 2B, HDCP 2.2, and HDR. The rest, pause it and see what's going on. Now, let's take a look at the star of the show. Oh, by the way, before we take a look at the star of the show, I would also like to introduce the little controller that comes with it. And guys, this controller right here, damn, wow, I cannot wait to review this so you guys can see how flawed. This thing even feels premium. Like, it's so premium, I'm wondering why the hell do I have it? You know, because it's that awesome. So I'm just gonna put it back over here. And here we have the NVIDIA Shield TV, ladies and gentlemen. Oh yeah, don't mind the fingerprint. It's a fingerprint magnet, but this, wow. Now, let's take a quick look at the back of the box, shall we? We have 2 USB ports at the back, HDMI input. Here we have a little port so you can plug in your internet or Ethernet adapter. Here is where you put, obviously, the adapter so you can get some power. We have some nice ventilation fans, because don't forget, this thing doesn't just play movies, it also plays games. We have a nice little subtle green line at the front. And as you can see, the front is not really much going on, but who cares, man? Usually you put this thing away and you don't even notice it. So yeah, Here at the bottom, we have some nice ventilation, some nice little ventilation holes or the ventilation grid. And guys, once again, this is an emulation powerhouse, man. I mean, this has the exact same graphics card that you find on the Nintendo Switch. So that should be able to tell you a lot, guys. And let me just put all this stuff next to each other so you can have a nice little view. Oh, wait a minute, that's not fair. So you can have a nice little view of what is going on here in the box. Put this over here. There you go. With the nice little cable. And let me just get that HDMI cable and pretend like it was in the box the whole time. TV Magic will save me. TV Magic editing, make some magic for me. Ta-da! The magical HDMI cable that you hook up to your TV. Guys, I cannot wait to review this box. I have already been playing around with it and I'm already impressed, guys. So I hope that you guys are also just as impressed when the review comes out, which will be out pretty soon, because man, you know how we roll. Now, I hope this has given you a little idea of how everything looks. And is this box still worth it in 2019? We will be finding out. So once again, thank you for sticking around and watching it as long as you have. This is the NVIDIA Shield, and this has been another TTC Toni-Tech Cave unboxing. Peace!